Park Systems is a global manufacturer of atomic force microscopy systems, also known as AFM, and emerging nanoscale microscopes. Our customers include almost all major universities and national labs around the world, all leading semiconductor and data storage companies, and many other companies throughout various industries. We have the most comprehensive line of AFM and related nanoscale microscopy products, ranging from general-purpose research products to high-end large automated AFM systems valued over $1 million. Park Systems' line of AFM for the semiconductor industry offer failure analysis methods unsurpassed in the industry, with 4 out of 5 leading wafer manufacturers using the Park AFM system. We welcome you to browse our website and let us know how we can help you with nanometrology solutions. Contact Park Systems today or visit our website at parksystems.com.